Meaning of eon.
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 Eon. The term eon refers to an indefinite and very long period of time. It is often used to describe a geological era or a cosmic cycle that lasts billions of years. The concept of eon originated from the Greek word aion, which means lifetime or age. In modern scientific terminology, an eon can be subdivided into smaller units such as eras, periods, and epochs. The study of geology and astronomy has provided us with a better understanding of the history and evolution of our planet and the universe, which spans multiple eons.